Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. And I can barely contain myself. I was laughing so hard a while ago. A internet friend of mine, Steve Good from the Scroll Saw Workshop, which he's a ultra talented scroll sawer, and he's got some blogs and his website and gives some very good tips. And he actually does Corel Draw, and he actually has some Corel Draw videos. And we talked back and forth, and he watched my video I made tonight about how to make this diamond shape and all the steps I went through to get it. And I was so proud when I figured that out probably a year and a half, 2 years ago. And I made several different videos, and I just made one tonight because somebody was irritated because it's not a shape. And I made a macro how to make that in one click of a mouse by hitting the letter D. So it works. But Steve suggested, and I'm still kind of laughing about it, I start out with a three-sided polygon. Steve said, why don't you just start out with a four-sided polygon and drag it down, and there's your diamond shape of any size you want. So Steve, I thank you for that tip. I hope that helps some other people, and thank you for watching.